Right now we're with Dell. What's going on, man?
What's happening? How y'all doing?
Got your food truck going on here, man. What's the name of the business and what made you want to start it?
The name of the business is Food Savvy. We do, we got the food truck and we also do catering. I started it, I've been cooking all my life, man. I've been working in restaurants for over 20 years. So I got tired of working for other people, decided to do my own thing.
How long have you been in business?
4 years.
4 years?
Yeah.
So like you said, you got tired of working for other people. What was the process of entering into the food business for yourself?
Lots of research, and a whole lot of saving, understanding how to deal with the different municipalities and making sure you got everything in order, just knowing all of the little idiosyncrasies that go with keeping everything right so you can do it right and they're not shutting you down when you get started,
How was the process for you at first?
It was a little tough, because it was kind of hard to find the information, but once you get in the mud, you just keep trucking, man,
So what made you want to start a food truck outside of trying to start a brick-and-mortar?
Food trucks are a little more easy to deal with. It's less overhead. You don't have to deal with as many employees. The insurance is lower. And it's mobile. You get to move around, see different people, see different things.
So when you go from city to city, state to state, like how do you work your business?
I do a lot in the local area. We do different neighborhoods, businesses, caterings, weddings, things like that. When we're not booked, we travel with the Foodies Festival. We go city to city, state to state, town to town. If they call, we come,
And how did you come up with the name?
It's the best way to explain it. Me and a couple of my partners, when you're good at something, you're business savvy, you're computer savvy. So instead of just saying, I wanted to be able to say that I'm good, but in a way that's got a little style with it,
What's your food and choice that you serve?
We serve American style cuisine with a little southern twist. So we got burgers, cheesesteaks, lots of fried seafood. When we running specials, we do things like gumbo, shrimp and grits, stuff like that.
And what's some of the hurdles you had during the festival that you've overcome?
Well, sometimes you don't know the business until you get there. So it's been times that I've over prepared and you don't sell all the food, and it's been times that I've under prepared and you gotta figure it out on the fly. One issue I had with this festival, I usually have 3 people on the truck. Me, my guy Pete, and another guy. He wasn't able to make it yesterday, and we had a real busy day, so we just had to figure it out and get it done with just 2 people.
Those that want to the people that want to get in touch with you, set up a business opportunity for you, how do they get in touch with you?
You can send us an email at foodsavvyllc@gmail.com. You can follow us on Instagram at Food Savvy or on Facebook at Food Savvy LLC.